Hello beautiful people, you're super welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to whiten your teeth naturally with tomato. Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. Tomatoes are packed with essential ingredients which help in lightening up the teeth in a natural way. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, and along with that they also contain an enzyme called tannin which helps in whitening the teeth as well and removing all form of dental plaque. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze this tomato inside this bowl, and what I'm gonna be needing is like equivalent of 1.5 tablespoon. Toothpaste can appear to whiten teeth slightly by removing surface stains such as those caused by drinking coffee or smoking. However, whitening toothpaste can change the natural color of your teeth or lighten a stain that goes deeper than toothpaste surface. That's why adding it to tomatoes is a great combination, guys, and I tell you that this is going to remove every available stain. It is a very effective homemade remedy for whitening the teeth. However, this shouldn't be a frequent practice. This should be done like once in 3 months to whiten the teeth, because tomatoes are surprisingly acidic, which can cause tooth erosion and damage to the enamel. So guys, don't make this a frequent practice. Enjoy the Alright guys, so you can do this like 3 times in a week with at least 1 day interval. So if you do this on Monday, you're gonna pause on Tuesday and then do it on Wednesday. Then after that 1 week, I assure you that your teeth is gonna have a very whitish glow. Then you are gonna stay for a couple of months before you repeat this procedure so it doesn't damage your enamel. Alright guys, you can see I finished rinsing of my teeth. You can see how they're looking sparkling white, not just on the surface, inside, everywhere is looking sparkling bright, free of dental plaque and tatters. Alright